India is a country with a rich cultural and historical heritage, and there are countless things to see and do. Here are some suggestions. 1. Visit the Taj Mahal. This iconic white marble mausoleum is located in Agra and is one of the most famous landmarks in India. 2. Attend a festival. India has a rich and diverse culture, and there are several festivals celebrated throughout the year. Some of the popular ones include Diwali, Holi, Durga Puja, and Onam. 3. Learn yoga and meditation. India is the birthplace of yoga and meditation, and there are several ashrams and yoga centers where you can learn and practice. Rishikesh is one of the popular destinations for yoga and meditation. 4. Experience the food. Indian cuisine is known for its spices and flavors, and there are several regional specialties to try. Some of the popular dishes include biryani, butter chicken, dosa, and samosa.